Hello, welcome back. In this video, you're going to learn how to manually install a plugin inside your WordPress website. And I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to manually install your plugins. Before we start, if this is your first time seeing one of my videos, do also subscribe. That motivates me. Okay, enough of the talking. Let's go ahead and install. So the first method is going to be the easiest way, which is going to your dashboard of WordPress and going to plugins. Once you get to plugins, go to add new and then click on that. And it will take you to your plugin search page where you can search for the plugin you are looking for or you are looking to install. So you click on the search box and then type the plugin. In our case, I want to install a currency switcher on my website. So type currency switcher in the search box and scroll down to the bottom, and this is the plugin I want to install on my website. And then you click on install. Okay, so immediately you click on install. That's it, your plugin is installed. So let's wait for it. And here we go. The plugin has successfully installed and you can click on activate. And that is it. Plugin activated. The next method I'm going to show you is downloading the plugin and then uploading it through your WordPress dashboard. So right now I'm going to download the plugin, but before that you have to type wordpress.org, okay, and then go to plugins. Okay, it's wordpress.org and not wordpress.com. Go to plugins and then again you type your currency switcher. So this is the plugin, and then you search. So you search for your plugin here and you scroll down and this is the plugin. So I'm going to download this plugin on my PC and then install it through WordPress dashboard. It is installing, it is downloading. Let's wait for it. Alright, our plugin is downloaded successfully and here is it. So we're going to make sure we upload it onto our server. Okay, so you can click on here to get access to it, and here is it. Alright, and just to be at the safest side, let's extract it and see if it is the actual files. So let's see. Let's open again, and that is it. So you don't need to extract this. Okay, I've just verified that. So you upload it just like that on your website. Now if the file is big, all you need to do is to go to your hosting dashboard and increase your upload max file size in order to have this uploaded successfully. If not, you may get an error. So let me show you how that one too works. So when you go to your hosting dashboard, you can go to and this is maquehost.com. You can check that out. If you don't have hosting already, I have a code in description, 50% off. I talk a lot about Maquehost on this channel, and you go to cPanel. So let me see. Let me refresh this page. Okay, so we're going to increase our upload max file size. So you go to PHP admin, that's multi PHP ini editor, and you click on that. Okay, and you select your domain name where you are doing the upload. In my case, it is inside. Let me verify that it is inside shopping solo tech. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. So you select that subdomain is here, and then you wait for it to load. You scroll down and make sure you increase your execution time from 30 to 60 or 120, and then you also increase your upload max file size to 10 or 20 depending on the size of the file you want to upload. But in my case, this file is 1.38 megabytes, so that means 10 megabyte is okay. So it should get greater than the file you are uploading. If not, you will get an error. So we're here, and then we're going to upload it. So we'll go back to our dashboard. Okay, so you go back to your dashboard and click on add new, and then you click on add new again, and click on upload. So you click on upload file, plugin, and then you click on choose file, and this is the file I want to upload. If you are not using Opera Mini, you may not get this little pop-up, so you make sure you go to your downloads. Okay, so go to your downloads and then upload it. Okay, so I'm not going to do that. I already have it here, or you can also have it here. Yes, here you see this little download icon here, you can have it there. Okay, so I'll click here, and then you can drag it and drop it here. After that, I'll click on install now. So install now and wait for it. So depending on the size of your file, it may take some time to install, to upload. So this is the file, and it has uploaded, and you can click on activate. It's just like the first method, but this one is downloading it from WordPress and then uploading it manually. Okay, and success, plugin activated successfully. Okay, and you can see this is the plugin. Now the third method is downloading your plugin and then uploading onto your server through cPanel. So after you go to your, let me show you how to do that. So first you go and download it just like the second method, and you have it on your local PC or in your C drive or whichever. If you have partitioned your drive, wherever it is, maybe downloads, you leave it there, and then sorry for that pop-up. And then what we need to do is to go to your cPanel and go to Files Manager. So when you get to Files Manager, make sure you go to your domain name where you want to upload it. Okay, and because it's a WordPress website, you find it here, WP content. So double click on that, go to plugins, double click on it, and this is where we're going to upload our plugin. But because we have installed it in the second method, it will not work. So let's just delete it, and I'll show you how to do that. So delete it. I'm deleting it because we can have two of these plugins at the same time. That's why I'm deleting that. So we're going to click on upload, and after you click on upload, you click on choose or select file, and then you select your file. So wait for it to install. Now depending on the value you set for your upload max file size, okay, that's what I just showed you the other time, or in the second method, depending on the value set there, it may give you an error if the file you're uploading is bigger than the value set. Okay, so here the maximum file size allowed to upload is this. So this is what I've guessed. Okay, this is what is allowed here, and you see this green bar, and after that means it's successful. So you click on that link, okay, and it is here. But because for now it is in a zip format, all we need to do is to make sure we extract it. So you just select it and then go to extract, and then when you get to extract, you can click on extract files, and we close it. You can reload this page again, and this is our plugin. Okay, so that's the third method of uploading or installing your plugin inside your WordPress website. I hope this video has been detailed and you have learned valuable lessons. See you in the next video. Bye bye.